Hello, everyone. For all the people who have been asking what is Akashic Records, this is a small message and a humble request not to judge anything. First of all, whatever is read in Akashic Records is non judgmental and it is kept totally confidential, alright? Without taking anybody's permission, nobody can open an Akashic record. Only if a soul gives an individual permission, that too in their presence, only then the Akashic reading can be done. Secondly, Akashic reading is, in simple words, a reading of a soul's path, not your present life, but since the present life, before, past, since the birth of the soul from the main God soul, जब आप मेन परमात्मा से आपकी आत्मा प्रकट हुई थी, it came into life form, be it in any body. Since then आपकी क्या जर्नी थी? Akashic reading is that, all right? To be precise, it is just like the whole journey from the beginning till today, all right? And how it is going to help you? It is just going to help you, your karmic connections, any blockages, sufferings, why are there sufferings, what is happening in your life right now, which is a cause of maybe past lives. We'll read them and then you can, it's just to make you aware, all right? Akashic records will not tell you what to do, it will just make you aware so that you can make changes, seek forgiveness, give forgiveness if that is required, so that you can cleanse and remove all the blockages which are there. जब नाली में गंद फंसा होता है तो उसको हम पता नहीं क्या क्या करके दवाइयाँ डाल के उसको पंप करके उसको क्लीन करते हैं ना. इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट, यू आर pumping things out to cleanse, clear the path for future. जब नाली हम साफ़ कर लेते हैं तो आगे के लिए उसको पानी बहे ढंग से, क्लीनली सब कुछ रुके ना, ब्लॉक ना होए, इसीलिए हम करते हैं ना. तो जब तक नहीं करेंगे तो वो सब कुछ ऐसे ही भरता रहेगा एंड इट विल गंदगी बनेगी, राइट? इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. अगर आप उसको साफ़ ही नहीं करोगे तो आपकी प्रेजेंट लाइफ में वो बिल्ड होता रहेगा एंड it will cause you some kind of blockages or sufferings, and that is what the main uh, intention is, which is non-judgmental, never negative, only positive, and it's an intention to grow, be free, live life fully, be mindful, respectful, right? And also just to take charge of your life. Yes, take charge of everything. And when can you take charge? When you know things, you are aware. How will you get awareness? When you dug in deep, and this is deep, and this is done with the help of masters, the lords of Akashic records, ठीक है, who will help us understand what is the blockage and deliver. That's all. अगर सिंपल भाषा में मैं आपको बोलूँ, जैसे चित्रगुप्त जी हर एक चीज़ लिखते हैं, बी इट इन एक्शन और इंटेंशन, वो हर चीज़ लिखी जाती है, उसका एक रिकॉर्ड है, वो रिकॉर्ड कहीं रखा हुआ है, एंड इट इज़ एक्सेसिबल फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स सो दैट वी ग्रो. एंड एक आत्मा का एंड गोल क्या है? घर जाना. हम घर से बाहर जाते हैं तो बाहर से वापस घर आते हैं. इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. द सोल इज़ ट्रैवलिंग from time to time, different lifetimes, and उसका मेन गोल क्या है? वापस घर की तरफ जाना, जो कि परमात्मा है. ठीक है. I hope this gives you an understanding. You can connect with me. Right now I'm doing free readings. All right. This is also practice readings for me as an individual to grow as a reader. All right. And again, just to remind you, everything which you discuss with me will be on one-to-one basis. All right. I am not doing readings for children, only people who are alive, and only people who are 18 years and above of age. All right. And it will all be kept confidential. सब कुछ एक सीक्रेट की तरह रखा जाएगा. In fact, after I do your reading, it is a possibility I will not even remember it myself. All right. So it's like that. Thank you for watching, and I hope and wish you all the best, to me and to you, that we elevate spiritually and we go further to attain that goal and bliss and go to our home very smoothly and spiritually and in an elevated way with awareness which is required. Okay. All the best to you and to me, with lots of love. Please take care. Thank you.